Hi guys, time to do a bit more work on my Lamborghini Veneno police car that I picked up in a charity shop a while ago. I'm making very slow progress on it. It's one of those things I'm just doing in background when I've got a bit of spare time. So this is the latest chassis. I'm doing it sort of stage by stage, printing it, testing it, and then doing a bit more. So I do have one of my viewers who particularly likes to hear me breaking the raft away from the print. I had somebody else commenting that they were pleased to see it doesn't always come away cleanly, because they thought it always did for everybody else except them, and clearly it doesn't for me either. This really ought to just sort of ping off nice and easily, but sometimes it does, often it doesn't. Oh, that's one of my batteries finished charging in the background there, beeping away. A little bit left. That's not too bad. So it's going to fit there. See if the steering's going to fit. When I started doing this, I said, oh, all I'll do is just stretch one of those other ones that I've been working on. Those, which I've done for a Poundland friction-powered car. But I found I couldn't just stretch it to fit, so I've ended up basically completely redesigning it. The only bits that come from the original, in fact, are these. And I was looking at them just now thinking, yes, there is a problem just reusing these. Because when I did these for the car, not actually that one, it was a bigger Poundland one, it uses a thicker axle. I think it's about 1.5mm axle, whereas I was only 2.5mm axle, where I'm only planning to use a 2mm axle on here. So that might cause me a little problem. Thickness of the axle is relevant to the size of the holes that I've made. Because I'd intended to just use 2mm, they'll be a bit loose and sloppy in there. Still, that's me steering. Mount a servo here somewhere to push that backwards and forwards, and then a tie rod to go across side to side there. Something like that, but slightly different. Right, that is the motor mount, which slides in there and slides along a bit. And I've made it like that so I can adjust it so the gears mesh properly and then glue it in place. That's the general idea. Right, that's the thicker axle, which I don't intend to use, although it will fit with a bit of work. Yeah. It's a bit tight at the moment, but that'll do just to give us a position. More important is to get a front wheel on there so we can judge whether we got the clearance. I think I might still be a bit far out. I think we're going to rub on the bodywork. I might have to make it slightly narrower. Have we got a convenient wheel and hub, wheel and shaft? Go in there. Just so we can get an idea of the actual arc it's going to swing on. I'm going to have to glue that or something to hold it in place while I'm testing. Right, I'll sort that out. Well, that actually fits. I was a bit worried that was going to foul, but that's all right. Because whether I use those actual wheels or the ones that I was testing on there that I 3D printed, of course, yeah. Well, actually those are a bit wider. I guess wider ones, yeah, wider ones won't line up. They'll actually stick out. Or we need to make that narrower, but I think I might just use them. Now we're getting closer. A couple more episodes to go yet, I think, before we're happy. That's good. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.